Steph Curry influence. They're going to take those shots just like Slayer. Smith to Sadazan, Sadazan for the three, and but Tebbs gets the board back to Sadazan, Sadazan for the three. On defense, there's pressure on the ball and pushing it. Tebbs finds you, and he making some of those pivotal plays for Parker Armslayer. He finds Massillon. Massillon gets triple teamed, and I mean, he was recently for Gordon College the athlete of the week. The game of basketball, being able to come out at halftime, and David Massillon tips it out to Sadazan. Sadazan to Smith, and Smith finds. Smith mixes, does a dance, makes it. Sadazan for a deep two. And half, making his first appearance of the second half.
Wow.
And Garrett, then they're ahead by 8.
Yes.
And Mikey, they find Armslayer to take it right up. It's not easy. Smith for the three.
Yes.
Smith over to Sadazan. Sadazan finds Armslayer inside. Who does Tebbs over to Sadazan with 7 left on the clock. Dribble alive, does a hop, finds Armslayer. Came in to maintain that lead, to maintain that energy. Sadazan for the three.
Yes.
And he sinks it.